Hey everybody, today we're going to talk weld machines. I'm going to give you a tour of all the weld machines I've got hoarded up around here because it's kind of comical. I'll start with the first one, my favorite, 1946 SA200. Next we have the Miller-Matic 250, old school. Next is the old Hobart Stickmate LX Buzzbox. The newest Everlast Red Saber 2000 laser welder. Ooh. A blast from the past. An old 250 ACDC Hella Welder 5 by Airco. Lincoln 180C Power MIG. This is what I use to weld aluminum. It's set up with a spool gun. Here's the cute little baby. This is a Miller MaxStar 150S, and I'm gonna tell you what, it's little, but it is impressive. Miller Trailblazer 301G. Miller Trailblazer 325 EFI. Lincoln Ranger 300D.